KODAK Lens Intelligent Dispensing Software, also known as KODAK Lens IDS, is an application available for an iPad with Retina display. KODAK Lens IDS is composed of 3 separate sections: frame, lens, and measure. When all sections are utilized, KODAK Lens IDS is an incredibly powerful tool for the independent eye care practitioner. Purchase of the lens and measure sections also includes a measuring kit, which includes a backplate with light that attaches to the iPad and a frame measurement clip. When not in use, the backplate serves as a tabletop stand to display the iPad in landscape or portrait orientation. Here is an overview of how the 3 sections work within KODAK Lens IDS. The frame section compares and shares each patient's frame options. Photos are taken of the patient wearing different frames. Patients may then view the frame options and share the photos via email or Facebook. A video option for comparing frames is also available. Press the light gray house icon located in the upper left-hand corner of the screen to return to the main screen. The lens section is designed to assist the eye care practitioner in educating patients about the visual benefits of KODAK progressive lenses, as well as anti-reflective coatings, photochromic and polarization technologies, and lens materials in simulated situations and augmented reality. Refractive errors explain the definitions and the symptoms of myopia, hyperopia, presbyopia, and astigmatism. Press the house icon located in the upper left-hand corner of the screen to return to the lens menu and switch to a subsection at any time. KODAK Anti-Reflective Lenses has 4 viewing options at the top of the screen to visualize the benefits of anti-reflective coating on KODAK lenses. To show the benefits of using an anti-reflective coating to protect against scratches, smudges, and glare, choose Video Mode On with non-activated, activated, and split screen, as well as Video Mode Off with non-activated, activated, and split screen. The AR option visualizes the cosmetic appearance of lenses without and with anti-reflective coating. KODAK Photochromic Lens includes real-time video mode, as well as a set image to present the lens activation process of photochromic lenses. Viewing in gray and brown is available. KODAK Sun lenses compare polarized versus non-polarized lenses. Switch video mode on to view in real time. Turn video mode off to show on-the-road viewing and fish underwater viewing options. KODAK Progressive Lens Comparison visualizes the features and benefits of various KODAK progressive lenses through lens simulation and augmented reality. On the left side of the screen, tap on a lens design to compare viewing areas. Adjust the power and addition. Show dashed line to see the viewing area. At the top of the screen, choose between 4 image options. Tap on Augmented Reality to view the lens viewing area in real time. KODAK Digital Aspheric Lenses compares the viewing fields and cosmetic appearance of aspheric versus spherical lenses. Power can be adjusted to show in several different visual simulations, as well as a real-time visual test. KODAK Thin and Light Lenses display and compare the edge thickness between the various lens indexes based on material availability, as well as spherical versus aspheric availability. It also includes a 3D comparison viewing of 2 selected material options. Progressive tutorial includes short videos on how to correctly and incorrectly view through KODAK progressive lenses. Options include indoor, outdoor left-right, and outdoor down-up, incorrect, and correct for far, mid, and near viewing. This is especially beneficial to educate first-time progressive lens wearers. Return to the main screen by pressing the gray house icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. The Measure section of the KODAK Lens IDS app optimizes the use of an iPad by turning it into a measuring device. With the help of a backplate and a frame measurement clip, patients' measurements can be easily and accurately collected. The measuring device of KODAK Lens IDS relies on the high-definition camera of the iPad with Retina display. The frame measurement clip is placed on the patient's frames. One photo is taken to obtain the far PD and a second photo obtains the near PD measurements. With these two photos and alignment of the measurements, the measure section can collect the monocular PD measurements for far and near vision, monocular fitting height, pantoscopic tilt, back vertex distance, face form angle, A, B, and DBL measurements. Return to the main screen by pressing the house icon located in the upper left corner of the screen. KODAK Lens IDS allows independent ECPs to provide a higher level of eye care education to patients and a greater level of customization and optimization in KODAK progressive lenses.